Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about female infertility, which is disorder of reproduction. So first of all, we do have some of the factors which can be discussed in the female infertility. If we can see, our first factor can be basically ovulation. First can be ovulation disorder. Ovulation disorder. Now what happened in this ovulation disorder? Basically there's absence of ovulation ना होना, ठीक है, ovulation का absence होना, that is known as we can say, अगर हमारे पास ovulation का absence हो जाता है तो वो prevent करेगा हमारे पास किस चीज को, basically it prevent to release the egg, वो egg को release करने का रोकता है, it prevent to release the egg को release नहीं करता है, prevent करता है. And this also cause some of the, we can say, hormonal imbalance, cause some of the, we can say, hormonal imbalance, for example PCOS, which is known as polycystic ovary syndrome, which is mostly common polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome, which is basically mostly common in female, it can lead to basically thyroid imbalance, thyroid का imbalance हो जाना, or we can say which is known as hypothyroidism. We can say release hormones, thyroid से कम hormone release होना, which is known as hypothyroidism, or some of the other problems can be related to this. So this can be done if we do have absence of ovulation. Now second disorder can be, we can say, fallopian tube blockage. ठीक है, जो हमारे पास fallopian tube है उसके अंदर ब्लॉकेज हो जाना, and we can say this can lead to, अगर हमारे पास fallopian tube के अंदर ब्लॉकेज हो जाती है तो उसके अंदर फर्टिलाइजेशन बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है, फर्टिलाइजेशन बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट. और भी हमारे पास कुछ फैक्टर्स हो जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल विच कैन कॉज पेल्विक इन्फ्लामेटरी डिजीज. ये क्या होता है, ये पेल्विक के अंदर डिजीजेस हो सकता है अगर हमारे पास फर्टिलाइजेशन इजीली डिफिकल्ट हुई, हमारे पास अगर फेलोपियन ट्यूब के अंदर ब्लॉकेज हो गई तो. वी कैन से एंड्रोमेट्रियम की लाइनिंग हो जाना, ठीक है. दिस इज द सेकंड फैक्टर. नाउ थर्ड फैक्टर कैन बी बेसिकली, लेट मी चेक, yes, endometriosis. We do have endometriosis. Now endometriosis is basically the term which is used, as we know, this is the uterus, and the lining of uterus is from the inside. Inside we do have lining of uterus which is known as endometrium lining, but in some conditions this uterus lining, this endometrium lining is outside, which is the main problem which can be done. एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, and some of the other too. So these were some of the basically causes of female infertility. Now let's look into our book. Yes, first we do have ovulation, which is irregular or absence of ovulation. Irregular या ovulation का absence हो जाना है, which is prevent the release of egg easily release नहीं हो पाता है, and this can be cause hormonal imbalance, hormones का imbalance हो जाना, जैसे कि thyroid से less hormone निकलना which is known as hypothyroidism, and these all PCOD cause करना, polycystic ovary syndrome, premature ovary failure. ठीक है. Second we do have fallopian tube blockage and damage हो जाना fallopian tube का, which can release basically making fertilization को difficult करना या impossible हो जाना, जिसके अंदर हमारे पास कुछ causes होते हैं, जैसे कि हमारे पास जो pelvic है inflammatory disease हो जाना, endometriosis हो जाना, या फिर हमें pelvic surgery करवानी पड़े. With that we do have uterine या cervical issues, जैसे कुछ abnormalities हो जाना यूट्रस या cervix के अंदर, and we can say which can affect the passage of sperm के passage को affect करें. This can be uterine fibroid, polyp और cervical stenosis. कुछ ऐसी diseases हो सकती हैं. Now we do have last which is endometriosis. ये condition क्या होती है which के अंदर tissues की जो lining होती है जो कि यूट्रस के अंदर वो outside grow हो जाए यूट्रस के, जैसे कि endometrium lining होती है वो outside grow हो जाए, जो कि affect करती है ovary को, fallopian tube को और दूसरे pelvic organs को. क्योंकि ये endometriosis क्या cause करता है, this cause inflammation, scarring या कुछ abnormalities भी. आखिरी में जाता है हमारे पास एज रिलेटेड फैक्टर, जैसे कि वुमेन एज क्या हो जाता है, क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी ऑफ द एज डिक्लाइन, इट मेक चैलेंजिंग टू कंसीव. किसी एज में भी हमारे पास बहुत सी डिफिकल्टीज आ जाती हैं, इट बहुत चैलेंजिंग या मुश्किल हो जाता है चाइल्ड को कंसीव करना. एडवांस maternal highly risk in infertility and pregnancy complications. So these were some of the factors of causes of female infertility. I hope this is clear. Till that, bye.